This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend, and I want to start the day by giving you a quick update. This one is about my crypto trading bots, the two powerful automations that I've been using for the last few months. Right now we have a lot of stuff going on with the halving, the altcoins, the meme coins. We also have the long term, the high risk, the Ponzi schemes, the scams, and also the market right now is not helping much. Look at all of these charts looking red. Honestly, it looks very intimidating for someone trying to invest in this space. But again, to me, these two crypto trading bots are the best option, the best alternatives we have to participate right now in the crypto world. The number one reason is that we have full control of our capital. Your money stays in your exchange account. If you are the type of person looking for a completely decentralized crypto bot, then using your MetaMask wallet is going to be the best option. These two bots are pretty similar. This is why I think they are leading the pack if you compare them with other similar crypto bots. You know the names already. I'm talking about Jonny Blockchain and Easybot. Last week was very slow. The returns were very small, and all of that is because of the market. What we have there is real trading. We don't have fixed returns. It all depends on the market conditions. And here we have the proof. Even when the market is very slow, the automations can generate some profits. I can show you right here the evolution of my bots in the last 7 days. I made I think $100, which is not much compared to what I was making in the previous weeks. Still, this automation managed to generate some profits in the last 24 hours. Tokens that are very volatile haven't produced anything. AGX, Ray, CFX. In all of those we have very good returns, very good results, but most of those on my list are not producing anything at the moment, and that's completely fine. We should look at all of this happening in the market right now as a new opportunity. It's not financial advice, but the best way to start your portfolio, the best way to build your list is by investing on those tokens when the prices are low. According to the experts, the Bitcoin halving is the beginning of the bull market. In the following months, most of these tokens are going to appreciate in value. This is what everybody's doing right now. They are buying altcoins, they are buying meme tokens, they are doing what they call active holding. I'm doing that as well. We are just waiting for the big event to happen. But if you're looking for an automation where you don't have to do coin research, something that you can set it up once and it's gonna run on autopilot, doing all the trading on your behalf, something where you can find actually a list of the tokens to participate, then the best option is Jonny Blockchain and Easybot. After you open your account, you can go to Trends. Here you can find the list of the Binance tokens and the pancakeswap trends with the stats for the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, total ROI. So that's how easy we can select the coin. Look at, for example, in the last 24 hours, it generated 1,141%. That's insane. Close to 3,000% in the last 7 days, 16,000% in the last 30 days, 21,000% total ROI inside the platform. I have that one too. Look, it's the first one on my list with a total ROI of 867%. In the last 24 hours, it gave me a 20%. But this is combining my previous bot. The first one I closed it, and then I opened a new one only, when was that? Let me show you right here. The 31st of March. That's around a week ago, and in only 1 week, it generates already 126%. This one, Ray, generates already 246% in returns. I have generated a 174% with this one. Very, very impressive results. What do I have running right here? I have Bitcoin, I have Solana, I have Ray, I have Fed, I have another Ray right there. Flocky, I really want to try this coin to see how that goes. 1 week running and I have 10% already. T-Fuel, Dodge, we have Pepe, we have AGX, Chiba, CFX, Gala, this one, AMKR. Another one that I want to give it a try, SNX. All of these bots got started on the 1st of April, kind of following the strategy of get in when the price is low, and we are just waiting for the prices to skyrocket. So that is going to be part of my case study. Now if we take a look at Easybot, this is also a fantastic piece of technology. I got started 3 months ago, the same time I started with Jonny Blockchain. I put there 7,000. I've been compounding. I've been taking profits to open new bots. I also upgrade my plan, and since then I think that this bot is running better. A total of 1,912 in profits in the last 30 days, 937, last 7 days 128, only today 3 USDT. What do I have here? Well, I have Solana with 291 produced right here, AVAX 229, Link 177, Cardano 124, DOT 172, TRX 29 right there, a little bit slow but it's producing. Another pair, XRP $40 right there, Phil 83, AAV we got 61 right there. We have also Doge 183, Bitcoin 45, Ethereum 25, this is called Chile 64, ETC 63, Uni we got 39 there, we got Chiva 141, XLM 31, Mana 35, BCH Bitcoin Chain 70. And I'm running these bots with my Binance API connection, so the minimum deposit in each one of those bots is 600. What are my settings there? I'm simply using the default settings. You don't need to change anything, you don't need to apply any weird stuff, just the way it is. You can get these kind of results. With Jonny Blockchain, I'm also applying the default settings. Once you register, you're going to have access to this page just by clicking this button. You will find all the step-by-step tutorials. If you want to use your MetaMask wallet, or if you want to use your Binance account, you'll find all the videos right here. The settings, for some of you it might be a little bit overwhelming because you have to follow some steps. You need to sit down, watch the videos. If you have any questions, if you need any help along the way, you can find me on my open Telegram group. Just let me know, hey Will, I'm part of your team, I have a couple of questions. I watch the videos. Make sure you watch the videos first. I watch the videos, and right here I need to find a way to do this or that. If that's the case, I'll be glad to give you a hand, no problem. They also have an open community in Telegram. This is the official Jonny Blockchain group. You can go there directly and talk to the admin, talk to the owner of Jonny Blockchain. Fantastic guy, Jeremy Rush. He's always there to help every single one of you. So what's next? Well, we are all set up for the Bitcoin halving. We're just gonna trust the process, trust the charts, take advantage of the market and get in when the prices are low, set up the bots and let it run. In the meantime, we can just keep playing those DeFi games, try to make some quick profits in record time, but make sure you have an automation, something that is gonna work for you on your behalf in the real crypto market. The process to get started is not as hard as you think, and remember that now you know where to find me, so I can give you a hand. Well guys, this is all that I want to show you today. All the best in your journey. Happy gains, happy compoundings, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.